when we first just accepted the idea and fully said we're going for it, we decided to start looking for boats. And so this was one of the first boats that we looked at. Was a 2002 Island Packet 42. And just a beautiful boat. At the time, this boat was a $200,000 boat, I believe. 205 was the asking price. And it was just a lot of boat. It was really ready to go right out of the gate. And we loved it. It had been in a lightning strike. So all of the electronics had been replaced. Everything had been redone. So really it was ready to go. Or at least, that's how it seems from the get-go. And the only problem we have with the Island Packets are the cockpits are not as big as their rivals, but we love the layout of the kitchen in an Island Packet, and we love the sturdy build. The kitchen layout is one of my favorites because it's this big U-shaped galley. The joinery is amazing. The cabinet work and the drawers, everything's perfect. And it's a smart use of space. It's very comfortable and very secure. And that remains the same throughout all of the Island Packets. It doesn't matter if you're on a 31 or the 58. They're all. I love the galleys. I love the layout of the Island Packet so much, and I also really love the layout in the salon of the Island Packets. That table going up to allow a large, comfortable space to relax. Area in general.
Yeah.
And then for
this
you,
will be awesome for me to work.
that comes out.
Oh, that's
It's got a.
yeah.
And it slides.
Awesome. Like this will be a great.
Yeah, two people can be in that galley just fine. And with the open, comfortable salon, without that table up, you have just a lot of room to exist without stumbling over yourself, which is something that you often do in a sailboat. And you don't want to do that, especially with a 80-pound dog. The 80-pound dog makes it tough. And in those kitchen spaces, because he likes to come and sit right at your feet, and that doesn't work.
I like that you can hold. You can hold from everywhere.
Yeah, lots of handholds.
Yeah.
And it's not so big you're going to fly over.
No, you're okay.
Yeah. No, it's a nice boat. And the woodwork is...
Yeah, they do a good job with that.
The aft cabin in this 42-foot Island Packet was perfect. And the second head is an ample size. It's very comfortable. I would never complain about a second head like this because it's a nice head. I loved it. The master cabin has the island-style berth, which gives you access from both sides, plus the settee, which make it very comfortable. And then it has a dry head with the separate shower. And it's big and roomy and wonderful. The Island Packets are just heavy built. This one was ready to go, but it was $200,000.
Inside there, if you're going to use these winches on the side. So they're actually pretty tight. If you're doing mast work underway, you can get in here and kind of lock yourself in and crank a winch. Or
Yeah.
If that's it. Or it serves as a ladder to get up, depending on if you've got a stack pack sail.
Okay.
You can get up a little higher to work things.
They're super helpful because if you do have to be up here and doing anything,
I can hold
without them, it's a pain in the butt if you're underway and there's any weather. Yeah, otherwise you're hanging on.
Yeah, for my life.
Yeah.
thing with an island pack, you never have to worry about the deck. The decks are synthetic. Virtually every other sailboat out there used balsa cork or plywood in their deck, and they get rot. And the surveyors go around and they hammer on the deck and they get spongy spots because they've delaminated over time. And almost every survey, the surveyor gets on board an island pack and he starts tapping. He goes, I know, I've got to do it. I'm being paid for it. I've never found one, but I got to do it. You know, it's my job.
That's nice. I like the surface.
The deck is so much better than the other one.
It's just a substantial vehicle. That's all.
Yeah.
There's no question how much I really love island packets in general, and this one was no exception. Okay, so we just finished looking at the Island Packet 420. It was a 2001. And what are your thoughts?
It was in excellent conditions. It was clean, very nice. Small cockpit, but we knew that.
But not too small.
No, too small. Well, compared to the
Compared to the Beneteau and the Jeanneau's,
yeah,
it doesn't have a cockpit.
yeah. But it's a tank. It's
a
built
tank.
so strong, and it's
The rest of the boat is just amazing.
yeah. It's very nice. Love the kitchen. It's nice. It's not kitchen. What is that called?
Galley.
Love the galley. It was so nice. Yeah, no, it's a great boat.
You know, a good thing to do would be now?
What?
Would be to go directly to the Beneteau dealership. If we can get on board the 46 there.
And compare.
Compare immediately.
Yeah.
Just
I
because.
don't know if they're open.
I'll see.